In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add sounds to your favourites on TikTok. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you have come across a sound that you like on TikTok and you want to add it on to your favourites for future use, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your TikTok. So for example, if you've found a sound on a popular TikTok that you want to add to your favourites, all you need to do is simply click on the sound in the bottom left hand corner. Once you click on the sound, all that will do is it will bring you to this page, and from here you can click on add to favourites. But what you can also do is if you come all the way back, you can click on the search icon to discover a sound, and as you can see at the top there's a tab there for sounds, and if you click on that it will bring you to all the most popular sounds that are being used on TikTok right now, and you can go through them and listen to them, and if you do like them you can add them to favourites by clicking this little icon here. So that's how you can go ahead and add sounds to your favourites on TikTok.